wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best hot wire foam cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. The Woodland Scenics comes with an L-shaped rod and a straight rod, so you can adjust the width of your cuts to either 4.5 or 3.5 inches. Its nichrome wire makes clean, fast slices, and when you use it with the company's foam, it produces no fumes. It makes cuts 6 inches deep and works well on Pelican gun cases, but it feels a bit flimsy. At number 8, if you don't require an abundance of specialized attachments or guided precision, it's worth considering something simple like the Hercules Hot Pen. This basic device gets the job done and costs significantly less than many other choices. It includes a spare pen, however it can't cut as quickly as some models, and pushing too hard can damage the tip. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Calcor 3-in-1 is a good value for the price, as it includes 3 different tips that let you sculpt just about anything you can imagine. Unlike most other options, it includes a metal stand to hold it when you're not using it. It's equipped with a non-slip handle, but it does take longer to heat up than most, and it doesn't get as hot as some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot wire foam cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Romech hot knife can handle a wide variety of materials in addition to styrofoam, thanks to its ability to heat up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. The kit comes in a hard plastic case with 6-inch and 8-inch blades and a cleaning brush. It seals the edges of cuts and leaves no debris behind. However, it's not as versatile as wire models. Moving up our list to number 5. Designed for modelers, the proxxon 27082 thermocut features extendable arms that let you position and angle the wire any way you need to. The wire's thick enough you can shape it using your hands or pliers to make unique custom cuts. It offers an adjustable temperature and a maximum of 660 degrees Fahrenheit, but note that a power supply is sold separately. At number 4, if you're looking for something that's stable, consider the Hercules CT115, which sits on a desk or tabletop. The angle of the wire and the position of the horizontal guide are adjustable, so you can make shapes like cones and cylinders more easily than with a handheld device. It heats up quickly and works with many types of material. However, the temperature is not adjustable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, using its 24-watt power converter, the Guritta Perfect can heat up faster than some others and can reach up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a comfortable grip and 2 tips that plug into the handle for different applications. The temperature can be adjusted, and it includes a 2.5-inch deep bow tip. The attachments are easy to change. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot wire foam cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the proxxon thermocut 115E is a tabletop model that can accommodate deep and tall pieces of foam. It's ideal for architects and designers for creating models, and can reach temperature in less than a second. It includes a solid aluminum arm and a heat control knob, and it comes with 98 feet of wire. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Foam Factory Pro Kit is a good choice for artists and crafters. It includes a freehand router whose wires you can shape to do any kind of carving. It's compatible with various types of foam and includes 4 cutting tips and an instructional DVD. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot wire foam cutters, or simply click beneath this video.